Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful trick for editing AI images so that you can have complete control. If you've ever tried to edit an AI image, you'll know the problem. You ask the AI to change one small thing and suddenly the entire image changes. The style shifts, objects move, and the result looks completely different. So instead of guessing with prompts, I'm going to show you a method that lets you keep complete control over every element while staying 100% consistent with your style. We're going to do this using Gemini's upgraded Nano Banana 2 model, so let's get started. First, upload an image into Gemini. Once the image is uploaded, go to the prompt box and enter this prompt. Convert everything in this image into structured JSON, then enter. Gemini then analyzes the image and converts it into structured code. You'll see a JSON block appear that describes different parts of the image, including things like objects in the scene and colors and materials, layout and spatial position, lighting, and the overall visual style. So basically the AI is turning the image into a structured description of everything inside it. You can think of this as the DNA of the image, and the great thing is that once you have this structure, you can edit individual elements without affecting the rest of the image. So now let's actually modify the image. Upload the same image again, then enter the following prompt. Modify the image based on the following JSON data. Next, copy the JSON that Gemini generated earlier, paste it underneath the prompt. So basically what we're doing is telling the AI to recreate the image based on that structure. Next, we're going to look through the JSON and find the exact object we want to modify. Because everything in the image has now been structured into code, each item has its own section. So what I'm going to do, locate the coffee table, and here I want to change the shape. So here where it says type, I will change round to square. Let's make another change. And here for the sofa, we will change the color from cream to black. Now that we've made the changes we want, we select create images and hit submit. And now watch what happens. The coffee table changes from round to square, the sofa changes from cream to black, but everything else in the image stays exactly the same. The layout stays the same, the lighting stays the same, and the overall interior design style remains completely consistent. So instead of guessing with prompts, we edited the exact objects directly inside the image structure. Now let's take this a step further. Instead of extracting objects from an image, we can also extract the photography techniques and visual style. So let's upload another image, this time a street photography shot. Then in the prompt box, we'll enter, describe the photography techniques used in this image in JSON format, then send. Within a few seconds, Gemini generates a structured JSON file analyzing the photo, and if we look through it, we can see it has broken the image down into several sections. For example, under composition techniques, it identifies things like symmetry created by the reflection from the water's surface, leading lines from the street markings, framing, and then under lighting and color, it identifies things like time of day, the color contrast, reflections, and it even breaks down the technical aspects such as the optics and focus, depth and field, and so on. So basically, Gemini has analyzed the entire photography setup and turned it into a structured JSON description of the visual style. So now we can take this same JSON code and use it to generate a completely new image in the same photographic style. So here I'm going to upload the new image that I want to recreate in this style. Then I'll paste that JSON back into Gemini and enter this prompt, generate an image of this person and car using the photography techniques described in this JSON file. And when we submit that, Gemini recreates a new image that follows the same composition style, lighting, and camera perspective. And look at how amazing this detail is. So instead of copying the image itself, we're actually copying the photographic blueprint behind it. Now, besides JSON editing, Gemini also includes built-in visual editing tools. Upload your image, click on it, you'll immediately see two tools appear, the brush tool and the text tool. So here let's use the brush tool to draw an arrow pointing to the coffee table. Then using the text tool, I'll type add flowers on the table. Next, I'll draw another arrow pointing to the chairs in the background, and this time I'll add another instruction that says add people sitting on the chairs. Once you finish adding your arrows and instructions, click done. Within a few seconds, Gemini updates the image automatically. You'll see that the flowers are added to the table and people appear sitting on the chairs, and look at how it perfectly added them, while everything else in the scene stays consistent. Another useful feature you can try is changing the aspect ratio of the image. So let's upload our image, then in the prompt box type, change the aspect ratio to 21:9, and once we submit that, the image instantly switches to a horizontal format, and this is really useful if you are preparing visuals for different platforms. So with a simple prompt, you can quickly adapt the same image into different layouts. So in this video, we saw how you can take full control of AI AI image editing using Gemini and JSON prompting. Instead of guessing with prompts, you can edit specific elements, recreate visual styles, and make precise changes while keeping the overall image consistent. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more practical AI tips, and I'll see you in the next video.